Hey y'all, welcome back to Dollar Tree Baby Edition. I'm so excited to let y'all see what I picked up for my grandson. Hopefully by the time this video was filmed that my grandson is here. So these are some of the products that I picked up. The baby shower was March the 1st up in Charlotte, and due to my back I was not able to attend. So you may have already seen my paper and plastic table scape by the gracious host of Me, Myself, and DIY and Tammy. So these are the items that you may have seen on my table scape. So I hope you enjoy this video. So come on, let me show you what I picked up. And also, this is part 2 from the Dollar Tree Tuesday video that you may have already watched earlier in the week. And I did not want to combine them, being it's two separate, themes. So I found these beautiful silver boxes. Another little one. I got the organza bags in 8-pack. That'll be another bottle brush in blue. I think the last one I showed you was in white. I picked up for him. This was a new item that I have not seen. It's the Disney Baby Passy Holder. Got that. So I found 2 more packs of the Huggies wipes. And these are the Simply Clean fragrance spray. And once again, if you remember the baby warmer, I had already had 2 packs in here. So now I have a total of 4. So I got another pack of bags. Can never have enough bags when you are changing a pamper. I got 3 plastic bottles. These are good for on the go. The new mothers, you know how we were raised, we had glass bottles and the sterilization and all that. But the new mothers, they like the plastic, and you can boil these. It does not have the BPA is free, and you can still put these in a sterilizer on light, to wash them. And we bought some for Truly, and I had bought a separate pot to boil her bottles, and everything was fine. I got 3 in the pack of the carriages and the baby blocks, and 6 in the pack of the baby rattles. I've never seen these. Now this, I don't know if this is a new item, or maybe because when I did Truly's baby shower, I don't remember seeing these, but I thought this is different. So I got that as a little favor. And I know everyone has walked past these in the Dollar Tree. It has like the Noah Ark theme with all the animals. Okay, and then I just got plain white and the baby blue napkins and the baby blue cups. And then they had the centerpiece with the animals sitting on top of the elephant. Okay, and then I found Noah's Ark as well with the animals. These are the gift bags. One with a zebra. This is Welcome Little Baby. I really like that one. And You Are My Sunshine Baby, it says, with the rainbow. Dollar Tree has really upped their game as far as the gift bags. And lastly, a white tablecloth, a plastic one. So I'm just double checking, making sure this is yes. So as you can see, all the beautiful items, and once again, if you have not seen my paper and plastic baby shower theme tablescape, I will leave the iCard here, and then you can go over and watch how I put all these items together. Like I always say, that if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for stopping over. And again, if you're one of my old subscribers who have been with me from the beginning, I cannot do this without y'all and all y'all lovely comments that y'all leave me. So, y'all stay blessed until the next Dollar Tree video.